What if your breakfast could do a little more than just get you through the morning? What if it could actually help you feel stronger and more vibrant as you get older? For many of us over 60, breakfast can feel like just another part of the daily grind. We might be dealing with low energy, stubborn weight, or just general worries about keeping our hearts and bodies healthy. But what if you could make your breakfast one of the best things you do for yourself all day? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 powerhouse breakfast foods that are backed by science to help support your weight goals, manage blood sugar, and protect your heart. These aren't complicated or expensive foods. They're simple, everyday choices that can truly transform your morning routine and your health. Let's get into it. First up is a classic for a good reason, but we're giving it a strategic twist: a warm bowl of oatmeal supercharged with berries and nuts. Sure, many of us grew up with oatmeal, but its benefits as we get older are really impressive. The key player is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Think of it like a sponge that helps soak up bad cholesterol as it moves through your system, a big win for heart health. This same fiber also helps slow down digestion, which can prevent those sharp blood sugar spikes that leave you feeling tired. While it should be part of a balanced diet, studies show that oatmeal can support a good insulin response, making it a smart choice for anyone keeping an eye on their blood sugar. But why stop there? When you add a handful of berries, like blueberries or raspberries, you're getting a fantastic dose of antioxidants. These compounds help protect your body from cellular damage and inflammation, which are contributing factors to the aging process. A sprinkle of walnuts or almonds adds healthy fats and a bit of protein. This trio of fiber, protein, and healthy fat is the secret to feeling full and satisfied all morning, which is a huge help for managing weight. Plus, for anyone who finds chewing difficult, oatmeal is soft, comforting, and wonderfully easy to eat. Our second breakfast powerhouse is the incredible egg. Eggs got a bad rap for a while, but modern science shows they're a fantastic food for healthy aging. Their main benefit is high-quality protein. After 60, we all start to lose a bit of muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Getting enough protein is our best defense, and starting the day with eggs is an effective way to do it. The protein helps you feel full longer, which cuts down on the urge to snack and can really help with weight management. For those managing blood sugar, eggs can be a very smart choice. They have very few carbs, which means they have a minimal effect on your blood sugar levels. While the overall research is mixed, some studies suggest that eating eggs regularly might help improve fasting blood glucose levels in people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Eggs are also a natural source of vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium for stronger bones, something that's incredibly important for preventing osteoporosis. Of course, eggs alone won't meet all your needs, but they contribute to the bigger picture. They're also incredibly versatile and easy to chew, whether you like them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet with some spinach. The third breakfast food that can help you feel your best is Greek yogurt. Not all yogurts are the same, and Greek yogurt really shines because of its high protein content and probiotics. Just like with eggs, the extra protein in Greek yogurt helps preserve muscle mass and keeps you feeling full, which helps with appetite control and weight management. It has much more protein than regular yogurt, making it a better choice for keeping hunger away. But the other bit of magic in Greek yogurt is its probiotics. These are the good bacteria that support a healthy gut. A happy gut is linked to all sorts of benefits, from better digestion to a stronger immune system. For seniors who sometimes struggle with digestive issues, probiotic-rich foods can be a real comfort. Just be sure to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to skip the hidden sugars and flavored kinds. Pair it with some fresh fruit, like sliced bananas or blueberries, for added fiber and antioxidants. This creamy, delicious breakfast requires zero cooking, making it a perfect and powerful way to start the day. So there you have it, 3 simple, delicious, and powerful breakfast foods to support your health journey after 60. A comforting bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts to help your heart and blood sugar. Protein-rich eggs to maintain muscle and support weight goals. And creamy Greek yogurt to keep your gut happy and your body strong. Your breakfast is more than just a meal. It's a wonderful opportunity. It's a great first decision you can make each day to build a healthier, more vibrant you. Some studies even suggest that regularly eating breakfast is linked with better cognitive function as we age. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps us out. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite healthy breakfast?